off you go, start looking for your fence and away with you. That's a big fucking bastard if it don't come through.
He can do it though.
Look! Look! Look!
Now give it time, give it time.
Good man. Now stand him off a bit off the oxer. You buried him a little deep in there. So remember, you're going to have to really boot it to the oxer. Good. Circle. Circle.
Okay.
Yep. Now put your eye on the fence now. Don't take it off.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Drew. Come on, Drew. You can do it, Drew. Come on.
Steady, steady.
Now. Yeah.
Well
perfect.
done. Come round, just do that on its own one more time to kill it.
Okay.
Super, good man. Now start looking at it now. Now pick up your canter a little stronger. It's an oxer, more legs.
Come on, buddy.
More legs.
Now.
Wait. All right, call it quits.